Good afternoon to one and all. I am Naga Koteswara Rao, lecturer from Department of Mathematics, Andhra Loyola College, Vijayawada. Today I am going to give a presentation on the topic the sphere. First of all, what is the sphere? Course outcomes. Students will able to understand spheres and their properties, known system of spheres and coaxial system of spheres. Find the surface area and volume of sphere when only the circumference is known. Measure distance on a sphere. Estimate surface areas of figures on a sphere's surface. These are the students will be able to know these properties. Sphere. Introduction of a sphere. A sphere is a three-dimensional object that is round in shape. The sphere is defined in three axes, that is x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. This is the main difference between circle and sphere. A sphere does not have any edges or vertices like other 3D shapes. The definition of the sphere is the set of points in a space which are at a constant distance from a fixed point is called a sphere. The fixed point is called the center and the constant distance is called the radius of the sphere. From this, a sphere is said to be a unit sphere if its radius is 1 unit. Next definition, a sphere is said to be a point sphere if its radius is 0. There is a note point. A point sphere contains only one point, the center of the sphere. Equation of a sphere. The equation of a sphere with center x1, y1, z1 and radius small a is x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square plus z minus z1 whole square equal to a square. We observe some points from the equation of the sphere. First point, the equation of the sphere is a second degree equation in x, y, z. The coefficients of x square, y square, z square in the equation of the sphere should be equal. The equation of the sphere does not contain the terms xy term, yz term as well as zx term. The equation of the sphere is of the form x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d equal to 0. The equation of the sphere with center, origin and radius small a is x square plus y square plus z square equal to a square. This is one of the main theorem in sphere. If u square plus v square plus w square minus d is greater than or equal to 0, then the equation x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d equal to 0 represents a sphere with center minus u minus v minus w and radius root of u square plus v square plus w square minus d. Here 2 points we are observing from this theorem. The equation x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d equal to 0 of a sphere is called general equation of the sphere. And the equation x square plus y square plus z square equal to a square of a sphere is called standard equation of a sphere. Another theorem, the equation ax square plus by square plus cz square plus 2fyz plus 2gxz plus 2hxy plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d equal to 0 represents a sphere if it satisfies these three properties. First one is a equal to b equal to c, but all are not equal to 0. Second condition is f equal to g equal to h equal to 0. Third condition is u square plus v square plus w square minus ad greater than or equal to 0. From the sphere ax square plus ay square plus az square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d equal to 0, center is minus u by a comma minus v by a comma minus w by a, and the radius of the sphere is root of u square plus v square plus w square minus ad by mod a. Next, definition of a chord and diameter. Let a comma b be 2 points on a sphere. The name of the sphere, let it be s equal to 0. Then the line AB passing through a comma b is called a secant line, and the line segment AB joining a comma b is called a chord. AB is called the length of the chord, that is represented by AB bar of the sphere s equal to 0. Next, definition. The definition of diameter of the sphere. A chord passing through the center of the sphere is called the diameter of the sphere. Means a chord which is passing through the center of the sphere is called the diameter of the sphere. Now we are going to find the sphere equation by using the endpoints of the diameter. For that we are going to use this theorem. The equation of the sphere on the join of 2 points a of x1 comma y1 comma z1 and b of x2 comma y2 comma z2. These 2 points are the endpoints of diameter. Then the equation of the sphere is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 plus z minus z1 into z minus z2 is equal to 0. It is a problem. We are going to find the equation of the sphere by using the endpoints of the diameter. Next topic is touching spheres. Two spheres, let the two spheres be s equal to 0 and s dash equal to 0 are said to be touch each other if s equal to 0 and s dash equal to 0 have only one common point, that is P. The common point P is called the point of contact of these two spheres s equal to 0 and s dash equal to 0. Another definition. If two spheres s equal to 0 and s dash equal to 0 touch each other at P, then the tangent plane at P to s equal to 0 is same as the tangent plane at P to s dash equal to 0. This plane is called common tangent plane at P to both the spheres s equal to 0 and s dash equal to 0. Now I am going to state a theorem statement. That statement defines the common tangent equation. If two spheres s equal to 0 and s dash equal to 0 touch each other at P, then the equation to the common tangent plane at P to the spheres s equal to 0 and s dash equal to 0 is s minus s dash equal to 0. Now, conditions for touching spheres. Now, I am going to take two spheres s equal to 0 and s dash equal to 0 with centers C1 and C2 and radii R1 comma R2 respectively. Here I am going to state two statements. First one is, if C1 C2 is equal to R1 plus R2, then the two spheres touch each other externally. The point of contact divides C1 C2 in the ratio R1 is to R2 internally. Another condition is, if C1 C2 is equal to mod R1 minus R2, then the two spheres touch each other internally. Then the point of contact divides C1 C2 in the ratio R1 is to R2 externally. Thank you.